Hey. I've always wanted to hear how loud the tornado siren is. I don't care if it's sunny. Time for some fun. Wow, it's louder than I thought. This is awesome. Ha ha ha. Why is the tornado siren going off? It's sunny.
This must be a mistake. I don't see any storm clouds. Everyone, please remain calm. There is no tornado. We'll investigate this immediately. Hey, you. Stop right there.
Oh.
Classic Caillou, do you realize how dangerous your actions were? You caused unnecessary panic and wasted emergency resources.
I just wanted to hear the siren. It wasn't a big deal.
Not a big deal. Classic Caillou, you could have caused accidents or worse.
Because of this, you're being charged with public disturbance and tampering with emergency equipment.
But I'm only a kid.
Doesn't matter. You're old enough to know better. Your parents will have to pay the fine.
Classic Caillou, we are beyond disappointed in you. Activating a tornado siren on a sunny day? What were you thinking?
Do you realize how many people you scared?
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I didn't think it would be such a big deal.
Sorry isn't going to cut it this time. You're grounded for 2 months. No TV, no Plotagon, no hanging out with your friends.
And you're going to do community service to make up for this.
This is the worst day of my life. Why does everything I do end in me getting grounded? Ugh, life isn't fair. Wow.